All right, so we're just going to talk about batteries for a minute. This is something that, comes up frequently in an automotive shop. And well, how often should you get your battery replaced? And what are some of the reasons to do it? And how, basically, what do I really need to know that it is time to get to replace the battery? Because nowadays they're extremely expensive. They have lead in them, which is now, extremely valuable. It's precious metal. So batteries used to be $50, now they're in the hundreds of dollars, and European cars even more. But if we look here, here's an example of two batteries. This is a factory battery and a Walmart battery. This battery, they'll usually make it from the factory 4 to 7 years, which is pretty good. And the Walmart battery, see the 24, it really means in 24 months you're going to be back at Walmart trying to get a replacement for this thing. All right. They're definitely different quality batteries. This battery is made cheap. It's cheap, but that's the problem. We see this time and time again that these fail. So when it comes to battery, you get what you pay for. And here's the most important part about a battery. Your car is not going to start without the battery. It doesn't run on the battery, but it won't start with it. So, if you have 4 seasons like here in Idaho, you're going to have the possibility that in the summer, the cheap battery is going to start to have problems and boil over, and then in the winter it's going to stop working and it's going to leave you stranded, probably during the holidays, as we see very often. How long should a battery last? About 48 months is as long as you can expect a battery to be reliable, and I don't care what brand. So a battery is something that about every 4 years, to keep it so you have a good reliable battery, is 4 years. Now why do I want to do that at the 4th year? Well, there's a likelihood that that battery goes out. It's going to tax the electrical system, including the alternator and other pieces, and potentially cause other problems with computers. Remember, your car now is basically 50% electrical stuff. So if we don't have a good heart, which is that battery, we're going to have problems in the electrical system. So getting that battery replaced every 4 years is a good idea. I hope that helps.